Hi guys, so this is a pretty random, spontaneous video. I hadn't actually planned to do this, but today I'm gonna cut my hair. I don't know how much I'm gonna cut off. I've been needing a trim anyway. I was always planning on trimming my hair around this time of the year, but I think I want more than just a trim. Like, I'm not really feeling my hair at the moment. It's looking although it's long, it's looking a bit limp and flat, so it needs more of a shape. I think I need to cut some length off to get the ends looking really nice again and get it really full all the way from the roots to the ends. Like, I want it to be a visible amount cut off my hair. So yeah, I was scrolling through my Instagram the other day and I was looking back, I think it was like January last year. I trimmed my hair when it was blow dried, and I cut off more than I had planned, which at first I regretted, but then when I was wearing my hair curly, like, I was really liking that it was shorter. So I think I want to go back to that length. So I'm not about to do a big chop or anything, but it's definitely going to look different to this. So reasons being, like, my hair's just not, I don't know, I'm just not really enjoying it at the moment. It's a really bad shape. There's just no shape to it at all. So when I wear it out in a wash and go, I don't like it. It takes ages for me to get volume, because some, like, the upper parts are quite long around the front, so it's kind of just a flat limp afro rather than being like out and fluffy and big. So yeah, I want to attempt to cut some layers into my hair. I'm gonna cut probably about 3 to 4 inches off. I don't know, I may cut some now and then decide I want to cut more later after I wash it and see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut it. I don't go to hair salons because I have trust issues when it comes to other people cutting my hair, so I'm just gonna do it myself. If I mess it up, doesn't matter, it's hair, it'll grow back. So yeah, I just thought I'd record it just in case anyone was interested. I'm cutting on stretched hair. I stretched this without blow drying for the first time, so if you're interested in how I did get this stretched hair without heat and blow drying, let me know. I don't actually recommend you cutting your hair on stretched hair because you don't know how it's going to look when it's back curly and shrunken up. When you cut hair when it's stretched, you need to, like, kind of take shrinkage into consideration. If you cut an inch off of stretched hair, it's going to look like 2 inches when it's shrunken and curly, so definitely take that into consideration. I'm doing it on stretched hair just because it's easier. I know my hair really well. I know which parts are longer, which parts shrink more. So yeah, basically not a tutorial, but just literally me showing you how I cut my hair. So I'm just going to go around in small sections, cut as much as I feel I want to cut, and yeah, I will show you the final result at the end. So wish me luck.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Why not would I leave if you were everything I wanted you to be? When I saw what you did, who you were with, got me questioning the things that I believe. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what we're on. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what we're on. I finally found the wrong in you. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. You again, why'd you call? I don't need to hear you crying out my name. And like before, When you and I lay eye to eye, now it's time for you to taste the bitter end. So I ask myself, do I let you go? Do I keep you in the frame of my mind? Now I'm growing wise to your sugar-coated lies. Nothing sweet about my misery. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you. I finally found what went wrong. I finally found the wrong in you.
Okay, I am done. I think I've done a good job. It's looking nice and round, which is what I wanted. I needed a better shape. I wanted like more of a fro shape rather than it to flop down. So at the moment that's what it's looking like. Obviously it is hard to tell what it's going to look like when it's curly, but you know, I'm confident that it will look good. So yeah, here's a 360. I know on my Instagram I have been talking about how I'm trying to grow my hair as long as possible, which I am still trying to do, although I've cut my hair now. But there was just no point in holding on to the length if it didn't look good. Like, it was just long, limp, and just not how I wanted it to look. So now that I've cut my hair into a shape, I'm gonna keep growing it, trim it regularly, just like minimal amounts, so that the ends stay fresh as my hair grows. And yeah, I'm gonna start back my hair growth journey from now, so stay tuned on how I keep my hair healthy, how I keep it growing, and all the styles that I do. So yeah, my next video, let me know if you do want to see like a wash and go on freshly washed hair. I'm so excited to wash my hair and feel the fresh ends. I just love freshly cut hair. But yeah, if you did want to see a video on my first wash and go after the cut, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that that's what you want to see. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful, or at least interesting or entertaining in some way. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.